Welcome to B's Jamaican Delight.
What's on the menu today, Miss B?
Okay, I'm gonna have curry chicken.
Sounds good, sounds good.
Yes, I marinated chicken overnight.
Okay.
And these are the seasoning that I added to the chicken. Okay, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna fry up the chicken, brown the chicken a little. I like to do that. I like to brown it a little, let it burn in the curry. Let the curry burn a little.
This will help with the cooking process later, right?
Yes.
It smells really good.
Yeah, this is gonna be delicious when it's finished. I'm browning it a little.
How long do you think this is going to take?
To brown?
To brown.
Not too long, about 5 minutes or so. I just want the curry to burn a little. Okay, now I'm going to transfer it in another pot.
This is the deeper pot so you can cook, right?
Yeah, in a deeper pot. And I'm going to add the ingredients such as Irish potato, sweet pepper, scallion, onion, tomato, carrots. I'm adding all of these to the chicken. And I'm going to pour a little water so it could cook down. I'm pouring some water in the pot with the curry chicken and all the ingredients. And let it cook a little. And I'll keep checking on it to see if the water is dried out. Then I'll add more water to it until it cooks. Now I'm checking on the chicken. The curry chicken, it dried down a little. So I'm gonna add more water to it so it doesn't get burned. Okay, and I'm gonna cover it back and check on it in the next 3 minutes. Okay, I'm checking on the curry chicken again. Wow, looking good, but it's not finished yet. Looking good. Okay. I'll check again the next 5 minutes. Now the curry chicken is finished, looking good, ready to eat. And I'm gonna have a bite of it now. Delicious. I would like for you to subscribe and like, send it to your friends and family. Thank you.